Do you love cooking but hate the work? Don't worry. Thanks to future technology, a number of cool gadgets are now available to add a dash of fun, speed, and efficiency to your kitchen. Whether you are buying them as a tech gift or for yourself, these gadgets will impress you with their innovative technology. So check out the best new kitchen gadgets that you must have. Prepara Herb Saver. Is your need for fresh herbs sending you on multiple maddening grocery trips? This smart gadget will maximize the longevity of your fresh herbs, allowing you to make delicious, healthy meals anytime. Rinse and pat dry your herbs of choice and place them inside the Prepara Herb Saver Pod. Close the front cover until it snaps into place so that your herbs remain intact and the air is trapped inside. Add fresh water to the reservoir through the removable filler cap. Be sure that the stems are submerged in water for maximum efficiency. For best results, remember to replace the water with fresh every 3 to 5 days. The BPA-free Herb Saver Pod feature a transparent window for quickly identifying the herbs inside and for monitoring. The tech gadget's rigid construction keeps delicate leaves protected, and you can also use the Herb Saver to store asparagus. Fresco Vacuum Sealer. The fully automated vacuum sealing machine simplifies the process of food preservation. Just insert the bag properly, choose the mode you need, and this future technology will do the rest. The 6 modes are dry, moist, seal, manual, cancel, and external vacuum to meet your different food preservation demands. The visual progress bar conveniently lets you know the working status. This advanced smart gadget can vacuum and seal more than 50 times continuously for large amounts of food. The magnetic removable vacuum chamber makes it easy and safe to clean. Besides, the compact size of the machine and detachable power cord is convenient for you to store it. For $69, you get 1 Fresco vacuum sealer, 10 vacuum bags, 2 external hoses, 1 power cord, 1 user manual, and 7 by 24 hours customer service. Sounds like a deal. Easy Off Under Cabinet Jar Opener. Tired of being summoned into the kitchen to open a jar after jar after jar? This one-handed gadget makes opening even the tightest lids effortless. Whether they are factory locked, vacuum sealed, child-proof, or just stuck, popping them is child's play. Talking of child, the jar opener is mounted under your cabinet, so it's out of sight and doesn't take up any counter space. It's always there when you need it, but never in your way. This cool gadget is made with durable materials and features a non-slip grip that ensures a firm hold on any size lid. It requires less effort but provides more security. Thanks to its simple V-grip design, this makes it ideal for those with limited hand mobility. To fasten it, simply remove the adhesive cover, press firmly to affix to surface, and fasten with screws that are included. Does this sound like something you must have right now? Talk to us on the comment section and stay right there for more of the best new kitchen gadgets. Newness Pineapple Corer. In 2014, 2 brothers, Keen and Sean from a pineapple-rich mountain, were inspired by their mother's traditional fruit preparation. They saw the effort it took her and believed there was a simpler way. From this vision, Newness was born, offering innovative gadgets like the game-changing Pineapple Corer. This tool easily peels, cores, and slices an entire pineapple in seconds. You can create 1 slice at a time or cut up the whole fruit at once. It makes perfectly shaped rings and keeps the shell intact so you can use it as a bowl. It is perfect for home use or small restaurants and juice parlors. The stainless steel handle is made to effortlessly twist or push core through the pineapple, and the detachable handle is easy to clean and store. For a $12 item, this is so much safer than slicing with a knife. Cuckoo Rice Cooker. Rice is one of those dishes that require near professional skills to hack until now. With this smart gadget, you can effortlessly create a number of meals. Thanks to features like user-friendly digital controls, a modern LDC display, a rice measuring cup that is included in the package, and fuzzy logic technology that is designed to cook rice flawlessly every time. Featuring a non-toxic, non-stick inner pot with superior durability, an auto-clean function that steam cleans the interior of your cooker, and a removable access water drainage tray. Cooking and cleanup are now a breeze. From smart family gatherings to a horde of guests, this rice cooker provides the perfect serving amount with a large 12-cup or 3-quart capacity. So go ahead and whip up that oatmeal quinoa, white rice, gaba rice, porridge, scorched rice, sticky rice, and baby food. EcoVac's robot vacuum and mop cleaner. This innovative technology plans the most efficient pass in your house for faster cleaning with fewer missed or repeated spots, even in the dark. The powerful 2300 PA suction allows you to clean hard-to-reach dust and dirt embedded in floor crevices and deep in the bottom layer of your carpets while maintaining durability and low noise levels. The smart equipment automatically avoids carpets when mopping hard floors and doubles the suction power when vacuuming carpets. With the exceptional runtime of up to 110 minutes, the vacuum cleaner automatically returns to the charging dock when its battery is low, then picks up cleaning right where it left off. Its customized cleaning technology allows you to create unlimited virtual boundaries, create no-go zones, clean by room or area, merge, divide, and label rooms, schedule cleaning, and select cleaning modes on multiple floors. OXO Seafood and Nutcracker. With this cheap gadget, you can crack anything, from the smallest seafood to the largest walnut. Its classic design meets modern comfort needs for efficient handling. The pointed teeth grab onto shells, leaving them no room to escape. Specifically designed to capture even the smallest crab leg, the tool also comes with non-slip handles for use even when your hands are wet. The handles are also long enough to reduce hand strain. This tech gadget is suitable for walnuts, almonds, and other nuts. One user says, "I got this seafood cracker to replace one I previously bought that was not spring-loaded. This one is. It is so nice to have it pop back open after you've cracked open a claw." The handles are also rubber-coated so they don't slip around in your hand so much. Crux 4-Slice Toaster. How many slices of bread do you eat in the morning? So why should you toast 2 at a time? With this 1500-watt toaster, you can toast up to 4 slices of bread at a time with 6 independent shade settings. The smart gadget was designed for consistent and even browning every time. The extra wide slots can fit all types of bread, including bagels. It features a slide-out crumb tray, high lift lever for small items, and anti-jam and auto shut-off mechanisms for added safety. Made with durable materials and state-of-the-art digital technology, this space-saving and energy-efficient product is designed to complement your kitchen needs. Designed in New York City at the intersection of life and style, Crux brings a New York state of mind into your kitchen. Flafster Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder. Whether you prefer a subtle hint of salt or a bold burst of pepper, these battery-operated grinders make it easy to achieve your desired flavor. The tech gadget has different levels of operation to ensure that all needs are met. In addition, the built-in light ensures that all your meals are seasoned to perfection. The easy one-hand operation contributes to the optimal performance of the grinder. The stand helps keep your salt and pepper grinders organized and prevent them from getting lost in a cluttered drawer. With the stand, your grinders are always within reach. Whether in the kitchen or dining room, make it easy to quickly season your dishes. Whether you are teaching your children how to cook or helping your grandparents add flavor to their meals, the electric pepper grinders make seasoning a fun and enjoyable experience for everyone. Paula Deen Air Fryer. Do you love crispy, crunchy, savory fried foods that are juicy and tender on the inside, but not all the fat and added calories? Then you need an air fryer. This cool gadget features a square single basket design that allows you to cook large enough portions to feed 4 to 6 people. With its shallow depth, this air fryer won't take up valuable counter space in your kitchen. The large dial controls the temperature on the easy-to-read settings of up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. The smaller center dial controls the timer and allows up to 60 minutes of cooking time. Paula, the American chef and author, also included a handy cooking guide that lists the common time and temperature settings for 10 popular air fryer dishes. These include French fries, wings, pizza, meat, baked, fish, toast, and vegetable. The unique stainless steel cooking chamber reflects heat to provide an even temperature throughout the cooking basket. This ensures that your food is cooked perfectly every time. Homarden Vegetable Spiralizer. Sometimes you want to cut your vegetables into shapes that will entice the most skeptical members of your family to eat. These include the toddlers and the sick. Enter the Homarden 5-blade stainless steel vegetable spiralizer. Get creative and eat healthy with a handy noodle maker to transform veggies into noodles and other shapes. The Zoodle Maker contains one integrated ribbon spiral blade and 3 mm thickness and 4 julienne blades. The 4 mm blade is fixed on the spiralizer blade board and can be replaced by the other comb blades. The 3 comb blades of 2 mm, 4 mm, and 6 mm come in the small white box. With its simple handling, easy cleaning, and precise blade swapping, this innovative device is operable for anyone. Its industrial suction cups ensure a solid hold on any surface. Crux Cordless Emerson Blender. This tech gadget features a 7.5-inch stainless steel blending arm for easy immersion in tall pots. It comes with a whisk so you can blend soups, sauces, and more. A rechargeable lithium battery allows cord-free use. The cordless immersion blender offers 15 minutes of continuous runtime, has an ergonomic grip, and comes with a 24-ounce BPA-free beaker. The charging base doubles as a stylish storage unit. One of the happy users says, "Tried several of the corded blenders and the cord was always in the way. Looking at several different cordless, and this one seemed to be perfect for me. Good size for my man hands and comfortable and well placed on and off button. Speed is just about perfect and can do just about anything with the 2 different heads. Never had it die on me while using it, and it charges fast, quiet too." Kitchen Deo Multi-Purpose Cheese Slicer Cutter. This multi-purpose food slicer with super sharp blade cuts not only the semi-hard and hard cheeses, but multiple foods such as sausages, biltong or jerky, cucumbers, radishes, lettuce, and more. It is good for weak hands, such as those of the arthritic and seniors. A bit of warning though, the blades are super sharp. Therefore, kindly handle with care and keep the gadget out of reach of children. By adjusting the dial, you can get the exact thickness you want from 1 to 15 millimeters. Sheila from the USA says, "This is the first cheese cutter I've ever had that cuts well. It is a bit bulky, but it beats all the cutters that just have wires. I even use it to cut carrots." Jebby H says, "I like the fact that you can cheese with ease, but be careful, it's super sharp. When slicing cheese, be sure you put something to the end of the cheese to push so you don't cut your fingers. Overall, I would probably buy again." Crux Sous Vide Precision Cooker. This smart gadget promises professional-style cooking results with just the press of a button. Simply clip your sous vide onto any size pot. Submerge the vents in water and get ready to enjoy French-style cooking with perfect results every time for your favorite meats and fish. Seal your favorite meats or fish in any resealable plastic bag and submerge into water. Set your time and temperature, press start, and you're good to go. No need to watch over the pot. The motor silently circulates and maintains uniform heat with a powerful 1,000-watt heating capacity. The backlit touchscreen controls provide exact cooking temperatures, and it's programmable up to 99 hours. The gadget features a quiet, energy-efficient 360-degree pump with dual ducts and a water level guide, plus automatic low water shutoff. Made with durable materials and state-of-the-art digital technology, this space-saving and energy-efficient product is designed to complement your cooking skills. Zule Apple Corer. Zule Kitchen is named after the mother of this tool's inventor. As a single mother in poverty-stricken Venezuela, she worked extra long hours, yet still found time to cook healthy meals for her kids. At the time, he thought nothing of it, but when he was married with children, he saw how much of a superhero his mom really was. Designed with serrated twin blades, the tool is placed in the center and pushed down to core apples, pears, guavas, bell peppers, and more. This apple corer is built with high-quality stainless steel that is also rust-resistant. The ergonomic non-slip handle makes for a comfortable coring experience. Use that perfect cored apple to make apple pies or dice it up for your kid's lunchbox. Whether you're making a fruit salad or apple fritters, this corer is a must-have kitchen tool. The twin-blade apple cutter is designed with a lever that easily opens for a quick rinse. It can also be tossed in the dishwasher for thorough cleaning. OXO Good Grips Baker's Dusting Wand. This is a kitchen tool that is perfect for evenly flouring baking pans or sprinkling surfaces for rolling dough. It is also great for precise dusting or baking goods with cinnamon, powdered sugar, and other spices. The wand has a solid side for neatly resting on the counter and is sized to fit in most flour containers for storage. It opens with a simple twist of the handle and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. At $12, this cheap gadget is great for turning and lifting vegetables and versatile for cooking, tossing, and transferring food. With a sturdy brushed stainless steel construction, these scalloped edges securely hold your food in place. It also features soft, comfortable, non-slip grips and thumb rests. The OXO Good Grips Baker's Dusting Wand is perfect for evenly flouring baking pans or sprinkling surfaces for rolling dough. Hamilton Beach Sandwich Maker. Now, this next level gadget is going to be your best friend. Whenever you are hungry and don't have the energy or time to summon a 3-course meal, talk to this baby. You can make hot, hearty breakfast, lunch, or dinner sandwiches in 5 minutes or less. Simply build the base of your sandwich in the bottom layer, place the egg and your sandwich top layer on the upper cooking plate, and close the lid. And if you always slap your sandwiches the same old way, with this future tech, now you can add some oomph. Explore more than 25 sandwich recipes on Hamilton Beach's website. From the traditional egg, ham, and cheese to more unique options like cheddar, apple bacon, and egg croissant sandwich. All removable parts are dishwasher safe and the surfaces are covered with durable non-stick coating. Toto's Blade Knife Sharpener. Any chef will tell you they spend as much time sharpening their tools as they do using them. Why? Because it saves time, energy, and nerves. Keep your knives sharp to the touch with this new gadget named Blade. Crafted by the award-winning Ototo Design Studio, this nifty friend puts the fun in functional. The little guy will give your worn-out knives a new life, as good as new. The Sleepy Rhino is a real monster in the kitchen. Made of PBA-free and 100% food-grade material, Blade is a real treat in the kitchen. Did I mention this Rhino is dishwasher safe? Imagine that. You can pop Blade in the dishwasher and he'll be squeaky clean and ready for action. At $19 on Amazon, this cheap gadget will help you curve your way into people's hearts through their stomachs. Fragile Digital Kitchen Food Scale with Bowl. Accurately measure both wet and dry ingredients with the Fragile Digital Food Scale with Bowl. It is equipped with a portable handle which features high accuracy, convenient functions, and fast response. The display shows 0.1 ounce or 1 gram increments when weighing ingredients. This smart gadget converts units between ounce, pound per fluid, ounce to gram per millimeter, and more at the touch of a button, making it the perfect kitchen scale. This compact scale also has a backlit LCD display that lights up when it powers on and is perfect for recipes by unit or by weight. You can use it to measure or weigh the volume of milk, water, oil, flour, powder, or any other solid food in a large removable stainless steel mixing bowl. A portable handle is attached for carrying the scale easily around the kitchen. Which of these gadgets impressed you the most? Do you know of any other cool gadgets that we could add to our kitchen collections? Talk to us in the comments section below the video. As usual, if you found this content enjoyable, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. To stay informed about our exciting videos, make sure to subscribe and enable notifications so you won't miss any of our updates. Until next time, remember to take good care of yourself.